Ooh, too low. Guessing it's too cold for the squirrels even. That's not a squirrel. What is that? Just a branch, I guess. Let's see if there's any bunnies over here. Oop, oop. What's up with the video? There we go. Does it have the net though? Keep turning my head. Doesn't work that way. I want to fly toward the net. Yeah, the sun is. Yeah, the net is in there. This one is flipped over though. There's no net, just the tubes. Doge. Is that someone there? Yep. I'll get out of the way just in case. Beep. Guess it doesn't like that. Didn't fly it that hard. Was it that low? Alright. It did pretty hard. Maybe the cold is not helping the batteries too much.